If you've been thinking about building an app or website without coding, you've probably heard of AppyPie, but most people get this wrong. They assume it's just a drag-and-drop builder. The surprising truth is AppyPie offers a full no-code platform with automation, e-commerce, and multi-channel publishing capabilities. Here's my experience. AppyPie allows you to create apps for iOS and Android with no coding knowledge. You can choose from hundreds of templates, add features like push notifications, and app purchases, and even integrate chatbots. For example, I built a simple event booking app in under an hour, complete with notifications and payment integration. The platform also supports website creation, e-commerce stores, and workflow automation. You can connect your app to social media, manage orders, and automate customer interactions all from one dashboard. One major advantage is speed. Traditional app development can take weeks or months, but AppyPie lets you launch apps quickly and test ideas in real time. They also offer customer support and a knowledge base to guide you through complex features. The downside? Advanced customizations can be limited, and pricing increases if you want more features or higher traffic limits. Also, some users may find the interface slightly overwhelming due to the wide range of options. In conclusion, AppyPie is a strong choice for entrepreneurs, small businesses, or anyone who wants to create apps and websites without learning to code. It's versatile, fast, and beginner-friendly. The large-scale or highly customized projects might require professional development. If this review helped you, subscribe for more honest insights into tools that make creating apps and websites simple and efficient.